Good morning, children. Today we can start partnership deed. The emergence of partnership is from the agreement. Partners undertake agreement within the provision of Partnership Act. Partnership deed acceptable to all the partners is prepared at the time of the commencement of partnership firm. The partnership agreement can be written on oral. A written agreement of partnership is known as a partnership deed. Underline this sentence. A written agreement of partnership is known as partnership deed. A written partnership deed is desirable and advisable so that the solution of any misunderstanding or dispute in future can be obtained on the basis of the provision of a partnership deed. The partnership deed is an administrative constitution of partnership firm where all provisions pertaining to firms administration are included. Generally, the following extent is included in the partnership deed. In partnership deed, generally following details are included. First one, details of partners. The information about name, address and other details of partners is included. Understood? Second one, details of firm. The details like name and address of the firm are included into details of firm. Type of business. The information about the type of business is also included here. Fourth one, commencement of partnership. The information about the commencement date of the partnership firm is also covered in the deed. You understood properly? Here, on which day the partnership will start. Okay, mention that date also in partnership deed. Fifth one, capital. Main important point. The amount of capital introduced by cash by each partner is mentioned in the deed. It is not mandatory to bring a capital by each partner. See, if 4 or 5 partners together and start business, it means it is not compulsory to bring cash or any other capital bring into the firm. Okay, it is not compulsory. If one partner bring if one partner bring cash, one more partner bring that furniture, then one partner having much skills, they all partner together and start partnership firm. Understood? To here capital. It is also mentioned in a partnership deed. Now sixth, interest in on capital. If any partner bring capital from their house, it means every year if in partnership deed, if decided that interest is given, then that also included into partnership firm. See here we read whether interest on capital is to be paid or not. If yes, then what percentage? These points are mentioned in the partnership deed. If no provision is made in partnership deed, no interest on capital is paid to the partners. Very important points. Not here in this chapter, whole year. Whenever we annual accounts, that time also, then interest on capital. If percentage is given, okay, but in partnership deed it is not mentioned, then it is not compulsory to give interest on capital. If all partners agreed to give interest on capital every year, that also, okay. In partnership deed, again I am telling you, remember this thing, interest on capital. Interest on capital paid. Interest on capital, it is not compulsory. If it is included into partnership firm, then also provide. Understood? Otherwise, not. Now, seventh one, drawing. What maximum amount can be withdrawn by each partner is also mentioned in the partnership deed. It is most important. Drawing. हमने पढ़ा है ये वर्ड, आपको समझ में भी आता है सबको कि व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ ड्राइंग. ओके, अगर ड्राइंग में लिमिटेशन होगी, कितनी लिमिटेशन है वो आपकी पार्टनरशिप डीड के अंदर मेंशन होनी चाहिए. ओके, नाउ सेवेंथ, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग. सी, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल इट इज़ नॉट कंपल्सरी, बट इफ you are owner of the business. See, imagine yourself, you are a owner of a business, you are a partner of a business. Okay, interest on capital, if all partners decided to give interest on capital, then only give. But if you will draw from the business, it is compulsory to pay interest on drawing. Okay, see, we read that. At what rate interest to be charged on drawing made by the partner during the year is also mentioned in the partnership deed. There is no provision in the Partnership Act for the interest on drawing, but if necessary, such provision can be included in the partnership deed. Not understand? Read one more time. Now page number 3rd, 9th one, distribution of profit and loss. In which proportion profit or loss of business will be distributed among the partners is provided in the partnership deed. If no provision is made in the partnership deed as per the Partnership Act, profit or loss is distributed in equal proportion. Okay, in partnership deed, all partners have decided that the profit and loss proportion or profit and loss ratio, but in partnership deed that profit and loss ratio not given, it means the all partners is distributed in equal proportion. Okay, read one more time. You understood properly. Now 10th one, salary, bonus, commission and remuneration to the partners. There is no provision in Partnership Act for the payment of salary, bonus, commission and remuneration to the partners. If any partner take active participation in the management of the partnership firm, a provision is made in the partnership deed for the payment of salary, bonus, commission and remuneration to the partners. मतलब पार्टनरशिप एक्ट जो बना है 2013 का 14 का, बराबर, इसके अंदर कोई प्रोविज़न नहीं है सैलरी, बोनस, कमीशन और रेम्यूनरेशन की. अगर कोई पार्टनर्स आपके बिजनेस में बहुत ही एक्टिव है, पूरी तरह से बिजनेस में टाइम देता है और आपको उसे सैलरी या बोनस या कमीशन देना है या रेम्यूनरेशन देना है, तो आपको पार्टनरशिप डीड के अंदर वो नोट इंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा. ओके, नाउ 11th, इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन प्रोवाइडेड बाय पार्टनर टू फर्म. पार्टनर्स जो कैपिटल लेके आता है, बराबर, सब पार्टनर्स लेके आते हैं कैपिटल. मैंने बोला कोई कैश लेके आता है, फर्नीचर लेके आता है, कोई अपनी स्किल देता है, कोई अपना टाइम देता है, बराबर. ये सारे पार्टनर्स है जो इकट्ठा हो रहे हैं, एक साथ होकर बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. बट इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन, अगर कोई पार्टनर, अगर आप बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, रन कर रहे हो और बीच में आपको ज़्यादा अमाउंट की ज़रूरत पड़ गई, तो कोई पार्टनर एज अ लोन आपको प्रोवाइड करता है अमाउंट. ओके, तो जो लोन देता है, यहाँ पर पार्टनर्स अपने घर से लेके आता है लोन, तो वो लोन ऊपर इंटरेस्ट आपको देना पड़ेगा. ओके, इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन प्रोवाइडेड बाय पार्टनर टू फर्म. The rate of interest is to be mentioned in the partnership deed and that time आप बिजनेस को लोन दे रहे हो तो उस पर उसका भी जितना भी परसेंटेज आपको इंटरेस्ट देना है वो आपकी पार्टनरशिप डीड में मेंशन होना चाहिए. व्हेन एनी पार्टनर हैज़ lended a loan to the firm, if no provision is made the partnership deed as per the partnership act, 6% per annum interest will be paid on the loan given by the partner to the firm. Underline the sentence. If no provision is made in the partnership deed as per the Partnership Act, 6% per annum interest will be paid on the loan given by the partner to the firm. Interest on partner's loan is treated as an expense of business. Underline this sentence so it is most important. See, always I'm telling you that what I want to tell you that underline this sentence, you will be underline. Understood? It is important for exam. अगर पार्टनर्स ने लोन दिया है बिजनेस को, तो अगर उस पर आपको जो भी इंटरेस्ट देना है लोन के ऊपर तो वो डिसाइड होना चाहिए. अगर आपने वो पार्टनरशिप डीड में डिसाइड नहीं किया है कि कितने % इंटरेस्ट देना है लोन पर, तो एज पर द पार्टनरशिप एक्ट 2013 और 1932 6% पर एनम इट इज़ डिसाइडेड डेट मिनिमम 6% आपको लोन पर इंटरेस्ट देना पड़ेगा. ओके, एंड ये जो लोन पर इंटरेस्ट बिजनेस को पे करना है पार्टनर्स को, तो ये बिजनेस के लिए क्या है, इनकम है या एक्सपेंस? यू नो बेटर, एक्सपेंस. ओके, तो ये बिजनेस का एक्सपेंस है. दस it is debited to the profit and loss account. And you know that the interest on loan, when we are recorded, last year we are recorded the final account, profit and loss account, debit side. Okay, now 12th one, goodwill. The computation to determine the value of goodwill at the time of the admission of a new partner and at the time of retirement or death of a partner is also mentioned in the partnership deed. Goodwill हमें बहुत सारे चैप्टर पढ़ने हैं आगे. ओके, सेकेंड वन फाइनल अकाउंट पढ़ेंगे, फिर एडमिशन है, गुडविल है, डेथ ऑफ अ पार्टनर है, एडमिशन ऑफ अ पार्टनर, ये सब लाइन में चलने वाले सारे चैप्टर्स. गुडविल मीन्स लास्ट ईयर हमने आप लोगों को लर्न कराया था गुडविल, है ना. द बिजनेस, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ गुडविल? Don't know, remember that. Okay, see here, the value of goodwill, it means the value of your business. If your goodwill is good in the market, it means your business market value is high. Okay, remember? Okay, now 13.1, admission and retirement. The provision pertaining to admission of a new partner and the retirement or death of a partner is also mentioned in the partnership deed. Partnership deed के अंदर आपको क्या क्या बातें मेंशन करनी है वो सब यहाँ पर क्लियरली समझाया है कि एडमिशन कब, रिटायरमेंट की क्या है प्रोविज़न, बराबर है, वो सब आपको मेंशन करना होगा. नाउ 14th वन, डिसॉल्यूशन ऑफ फर्म. आप पार्टनरशिप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, 4 पार्टनर, 5 पार्टनर, 100 पार्टनर्स एक साथ इकट्ठा मिलकर पार्टनरशिप बनाते हैं. उसका डिसॉल्यूशन कैसे होगा, उसके भी फ्यूचर में अगर आपको बिजनेस बंद करना है, डिसॉल्यूशन करना है फर्म का, तो वो कैसे होगा, तो उसका भी सारी बातें वो आप लोगों को पार्टनरशिप डीड में मेंशन करनी होगी. सी बात पढ़ते हैं. In what circumstances firm will be dissolved, what procedure will be adopted, etc. These points are mentioned to the partnership deed. The payment of salary, bonus, commission, remuneration or any other payment only to active partners of a partnership firm is available as deduction as per the section 40B of Income Tax Act 1961. As stated in section 40B of Income Tax, any interest payable to partners will be disallowed if no provision is made in the partnership deed. Understood? अगर आपने पार्टनरशिप डीड में कोई भी चीज़ के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट देने के लिए कुछ भी आपने मेंशन नहीं किया पार्टनरशिप पर, तो आप नहीं दे सकते. ओके, देयर for it is desirable to mention it in the partnership deed as per action 40B 4th of Income Tax Act. Interest payment more than 12% to the partners will not be given as deduction. ओके, अगर इनकम टैक्स की बात समझे, ये सब इनकम टैक्स की बातें हैं, सिर्फ हमें याद रखना है, उसको लर्न नहीं करना है. ओके, तो आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 12% तक ही इंटरेस्ट दे सकते हैं. मोर देन 12% नॉट गिवन. एज पर पार्टनरशिप इंटरेस्ट मोर देन 12% कैन बी पेड बट डिडक्शन विल बी अलाउड अप टू 12 ओनली. अंडरस्टूड? तो हमने डिडक्शन इनकम टैक्स में आपको रिबेट मिलेगा तो वो 12% तक ही मिलेगा. अगर आप 12% से ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट देते हो तो इट्स ओके, पार्टनरशिप डीड में है तो आप दे सकते हो, बट 12% तक ही आप लोगों को इनकम टैक्स में रिबेट मिलेगा. अगर आपने 14 और 15% इंटरेस्ट दिया तो आपको जो ऊपर के 3% है वो आपको इनकम टैक्स में से रिबेट नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, here note given, and here one more thing, you properly learn that if that star is given, that note word is given, underline that sentence, whole book. It is important. Section of Income Tax Act are given for the better understanding of students. It is not for examination purpose. Okay? इनकम टैक्स की जो सारी बातें मैंने आपको बोली है वो सिर्फ आपके इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए. दैट इज़ ओके. ओके, नाउ 5th पॉइंट in next session. Bye.